So this is the NGO website that I made with AI, without coding, without moving elements for hours and being frustrated that I don't know how to do something. Very simple, very effective. This is something I'm going to show you in this video. So I got interactive buttons right here. Then I got the companies right here. Then I have even the donate details for each of the cause. Then when we go to home, I have also the donation here to Stripe and PayPal, then the upcoming events, and even the contact form that is fully working. So that's how effective the things can be. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make something like this. Let's go. Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a great looking NGO website with AI, without coding, without, playing around with elements for 2 hours and being frustrated. So we're going to use a Claude design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. And we're not going to start writing to AI what kind of website to make. What we're going to do first is come to Google and write here NGO website template Webflow or Figma or Framer, and find some kind of website and get it as a PNG, and we're going to use it as an inspiration for the structure, for the things that we want to have there, and then we're going to continually change the things. So therefore, it's really good if you can get some kind of inspiration from Google, and then you're going to find some website that you like. It's like, okay, I like something like this. I'm going to get a screenshot of it and then going to paste it to Claude Design as I did. So that's how you're going to do it. How you can get a screenshot is, for example, with the website to PNG on Google. That's something that you can do. In the moment when you are going to be here on the Claude Design, we have to write a prompt. So this is something that I wrote: make me an NGO website with a single donation for the NGO, make it mobile friendly, sending screenshot how I want it, but make it more green, not purple. Also, I want it to be professional and serious. Ask me questions about the design and whole website, what you need, be creative. I don't want to have a blog there or anything like that. Prepare me there also donation page for individual projects. And also it's for doc NGO. So let's try like that. Now I'm using Opus 4.8. So this is just a basic, it's going to ask me a question and then it's going to make a website. So we're just going to wait. And I prepare all of this information for the inspiration for Claude Design to create something for me. And now it's going to ask me questions. I'm going to answer the questions. Then it's going to start creating the website. So what's the name of the NGO? It's going to be NGO Docs. We rescue help with shelters. Which pages do you want? Home, about, individual project campaign name, single donation page, contact. So list the individual projects. So we can go like that. How should the single donation work? Presets amount, custom amount field, okay. A currency for donation, USD. Payment handling on the donation page. And here you're gonna have for example, placeholder for Stripe and PayPal buttons. Any impact numbers to show. And you're gonna have like the dogs rescued, dogs rehomed, years active. Contact details, make them up. Photo of dogs. Choose some from the internet. Want to explore a couple design direction first, go straight to one polished build. Okay, and now I'm going to press continue when I have it, and it's going to make the website. Alright, so I did few changes already because it wasn't the way that I liked. And I'm going to show you how you can then edit the site. So this is how it is right now. It will like 2-3 prompts more, and I will show you. So look at that. Help us give dog a second chance. Donate now. We have the projects here, the donation through Stripe, PayPal, then also upcoming events. About here, look at that. Then we're gonna have campaigns that I can click here, details, and I have the details. So what you want to do, many times the Claude is not going to make fully the site as you send the screenshots. So what you have to do is get a screenshot of the, for example, the part that how you want it. So this is not how it looked like. It looked like very basic. I'm like, no, I wanted to have in a very similar way. And it did that in that way. So that's something that you want to do. So right here, for example, look at that. I want to also have buttons that are more interactive. Please make buttons interactive. So you are going to change the changes here, or what you can do is you can click comment where you can draw and it's going to make the changes, or you can click edit here and you are going to edit the segments by yourself. So you're going to click here on the pro on top left, and then you edit the things as you like the text, that you don't have to change everything through the text to Claude. You can change it by yourself. So now look at that. Please make buttons interactive. I don't know how to do that. So when I hover over them, mention that interactive. I don't know how to say it, but hope it will get it. So now it's going to make buttons interactive because now the buttons are not interactive and I want them. When I'm going to over them, there are going to be this interaction there, you know? So then you see also the donation here. Now what you can also do, there are plenty of this code donation bases where you're going to insert the code. This is something that you can also do, that if you don't want to have your own donation, but you can have the box donation and how they are called, that you're going to get a code and you can set that be there and then have just a code on your website. That's something that you can also do. So that's something for you to know. Now, while it's going to be over and Mario, you're going to edit the website, then also we're going to talk about the contact form. How can we have the contact form that is going to be interactive? So, because right now the contact form is not going to work. So what we're going to do, look at that. Now it works. In a moment when I go over buttons, it interacts. How simple, right? I don't know how long this would take to make for WordPress or something. So you see, nice. Or even send messages interactive. You're going to go to Web3 Forms. It's a complete free form maker, and you're going to click sign up login here. And then I'm going to just write email here. So let's go and continue with the email. And then I'm going to copy the mail, paste it. So you're going to register with your email. I will show you what to do. It's very simple. Okay, we got it right here. Continue. And now I agree, continue. And then you're going to see the free version where you got 250 monthly submissions. And my first form. And you're going to write here doc website, just your website. Create a form. And then I'm going to paste an API key. Here is the key for my form. And here is the code inserted so I can get requests on email. All right. Now it's going to do, and then what we are going to do is like, you know how to do it. It's very simple. You're going to always take some header, you're going to take something, and you're going to say, okay, please change that. Please change it in a way how we want. It's going to change it for you. Before you're going to make any big changes, guys, go to top left and duplicate the project. Always remember it. So there is duplicate project where everything's fine. And if something's not fine, then you can always go back to something that was before. That's how we're going to do it. So when you have this and when we actually created it, it's going to make it. Then we are going to export the site. How are we going to export the site and insert it on your hosting? So down below in the description, you're going to click on the hosting link, which is Hostinger, and I will show you. So when you're going to click on a link, then you're going to come to pricing, and there you're going to have web hosting. Choose the premium, the basic one. You don't, if you need multiple websites, go with that, but the premium is going to be sufficient. Right here, you're going to choose period of months. I can go with the 48 months and have a coupon code and right here, Marcus. 10% off for you. You're going to write here domain. And what you're going to do is that when you're going to have it, okay, first year is free. So you can choose first year here and then you're going to like pay after that. But this is the final price, $158 with the code. Of course, you can change different monthly plan. Now, when you're going to, don't install any WordPress, don't install a hosting or web hosting. Here, I have, for example, it's finished. So I'm going to write to Claude, please export me this website as main page index.html and all other pages related to it also HTML. Thank you very much. All right. So, and give me here download link, because we want to have index.html. What you're going to do now is when you're going to have the website bought, domain bought, you're going to come here to websites. You're going to have the website. So I'm going to click dashboard here. Not that. And you're going to have websites. Dashboard. Files. Access files. And it's very simple. We're just going to upload it into public HTML. So double click public HTML, delete what is there, everything delete. Now it's going to export me the site. Look at that. So now it's ready. I'm going to click download and it's going to export it. And then I just upload it. That's it. That's the whole process. It got 20 megabytes. So just be ready that we need to change few things then, because 20 megabytes, it's pretty big file. Let's just even see what is the big things. You can even ask like, how can we lower the size of the site? What we can do different, because the loading would be maybe longer. And look at that. So we have it, index.html. Now when I open the site and I go to websites and I open the website, look at it. Do you see how long it's a little bit loading? And look at that, we got it. And even when I just write here, send message. And now when I go here to the contact form, and we have the submission right here. How easy was that? So that's how we're gonna do it. And hope this video was beneficial. Thank you very much for watching. And if you need any change, let me down below in the comments, but it's this simple right now. Goodbye.